In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily silence text notifications on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, tap right here at Notifications and then scroll all the way down until you find Messages. Then get into it. That's where at the very top we can easily find Allow Notifications option, and if you would like to completely turn off all notifications from Messages app, all you have to do is just turn off this switcher. However, if you would like to keep getting notifications from Messages but you wanna silence it, I recommend you to keep it turned on and then just head over to Sounds, and here we can just turn off Sounds notification by selecting None here. If you configure it in that way, you will still get notifications from Messages app, however, all of them will be silenced. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.